You gave me the chance.
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 At the University of Miami, we are building champions, and your Hurricane Club membership has a positive impact on each and every one of our 400 student athletes. Your membership is transforming lives, giving them the opportunity to proudly wear the U as they strive for excellence in the classroom, in competition, and in life.
Please join today, and when you do, you can be proud of building champions at the U.